Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and if you are new to my channel, hi, I am Monikuntala. I make videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle and lot of haul. As you all have guessed by the thumbnail, today I have created this beautiful look using Stay Quriky products, and this is going to be a Stay Quriky one brand makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to know what all products I have used to create this beautiful, subtle, everyday glam look, then please keep on watching the videos, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. At first, I am using this Stay Quriky foundation in the shade 07 Beige Bomb, and it's a very nice warm undertone foundation and it is suitable for fair to whitish skin tone. And ये foundation का blendability भी मुझे बहुत पसंद आई. It is a very long wearing foundation, but it gives sheer to medium coverage. It doesn't have much of a coverage, so मैंने इसको और एक बार layer up की है because I like my foundation to be full coverage. But if you like natural coverage foundation, you guys are gonna love this foundation. and ये ना बहुत अच्छे से blend हो रही थी. मुझे brush से ही blend करना पसंद है. If you want to use any beauty blender, you can use it because इसका formulation बहुत अच्छा है, अच्छे से blend out होगा. And this foundation is suitable for all skin type, and look at the finish, it is so beautiful, right? And then I will be using this Stay Quriky compact powder, and it is in the shade 01. For today I am using the powder all over my face to see its coverage as well as its longevity. Its longevity is very good. It lasted me for about 4 to 5 hours, and then I have removed it, and I love this coverage too. Like इसका coverage आप लोग देख सकते हैं कितना अच्छे से ये blend out हो रही है, साथ ही साथ कितने अच्छे से cover up कर रही है. And then I will be using this Stay Quriky Cheeky Girls blush, and this is in the shade Coral Cheek 05. I really love this product, and you guys can say it is one of my favorite products out of this entire video. And you guys should definitely check out this shade. This shade will be suitable for fair to whitish skin tone, but if you have dusky skin tone, you can go for other shades. And then I will be using this Stay Quriky sexy eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade 01. मैं इसका ये beige color को लेके अपनी पूरी eyelids को set कर रही हूँ because मैंने powder से set नहीं की थी. And then I will be using this warm brown color from the palette. मैं इसको अच्छे से अपने क्रीज पर ब्लेंड आउट करूँगी. एंड देन आई विल बी इंटेंसिफाइंग माई क्रीज विद दैट बर्गंडी कलर. एज यू कैन सी मैं लाइक थोड़ा सा आउटवर्ड की तरफ भी ले रही हूँ. एंड उसके बाद आई विल बी यूजिंग ए बेज कलर फ्रॉम दी पैलेट, एंड उसको मैं अपने इनर थर्ड लिड पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू डू ए फुल मैट लुक टुडे, सो दैट्स वाई. एंड आई रियली लव द फिनिश, and you can see in person how beautiful it is looking. And now I will be using this shimmery yellow color on my inner corners, and look how it has like brighten up my under eyes. And for my under eyes I am using that maroon color, and then blending it out with that beige color, and the finish is so good. And then I will be using this lipstick from Stay Quriky. This is Stay Quriky mini lipstick, and I really love this shade. This is a very nice nude pink color, and it will suit all the skin tone because like its undertone is very beautiful. And these lipsticks are non-drying and last for very long time. And that is it for my today's video. If you liked watching this video, please do comment down below which product you want to try, and all the products links are in my description box. Bye guys.